Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Ito na po ang biyahe ng buhay ni Jason. Hi DJ Lala, a-ask ko lang po, paano ko gagawing positibong tao ang girlfriend ko? Kasi napapansin ko mas importante pa sa kanya ang sinasabi ng iba na pangit kesa sa akin na nagmamahal sa kanya. Salamat sa sagot DJ Lala and more power to your show. My love, yung mga ganitong issues kasi, yung insecurities, sometimes it gets the best or the better of us. Yung mga demons in our heads, yung mga nakikita nating kulang sa atin, yung mga nakikita nating hindi maganda sa atin, flaws sa katawan natin, flaws sa pagkatao natin, sometimes na ma-magnify natin sila in our heads. That makes us parang difficult to believe that we are worthy, we are beautiful, we are lovable, o diba? And itong insecurities na to, sometimes na-amplify siya ng mga taong mapanghusga sa paligid. This is just but normal. Normal to, my love. Pero some people, unfortunately, are not strong enough. Hindi sila ganun katatag. Para salagin yung mga ganitong klaseng salita. Salagin yung ganitong klaseng puna. May mga tao talaga, they take it by heart. Kapag sinabi mo na, uy, ang pangit mo. Dama nila na ang pangit talaga nila. Tapos nawawalan sila ng confidence sa sarili nila. It's brutal outside. Outside our comfort zone, brutal ang mga tao. Social media, ever so brutal. Mag-post ka lang dyan ng picture mo na medyo some kind na litaw yung mga flesh mo, yung legs mo, yung arms mo. Dami nila mapapansin, kilikili mo, stretch mark mo, kapag meron kang love handle or yung tinatawag nating bilbil. Nako, pupunahin nila yan. Kapag nag-close up ka, tas meron ka mga chismis sa muka, nako, yan ang makikita nila. Not the caption, not the fire burning in your eyes, not the twinkle in your eyes, but those imperfections, yun yung nakikita nila. Kasi maraming mga tao talaga na may imperfection sa katawan. And because they don't want anyone to see that, what they do is pinupunan na lang nila yung imperfection sa katawan ng ibang tao. Doon nila binubuhos yung insecurities nila. Some people are like that. It's unfortunate, but it's reality. So as a partner, minsan it's kind of hard for us to pull yung mga partners natin out of that dark times. O diba? Dark moments nila. Mahihirapan talaga tayo i-pull sila out of it. Mahihirapan tayong ipakita sa kanila yung tinatawag nilang silver lining. Mahihirapan tayo ipakita sa kanila yung positive things na dapat mas ina-amplify nila. Pero that doesn't mean it's impossible. We just have to bear in mind na at the time of their weakness, tayo yung constant strength nila. We don't have to change them. We just need to be there for them. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo ngayon para sa kanya, telling her how beautiful she is every single day, that's enough. Showing her yung good things in life, that's enough. You can only do so much kasi for a person na nilalamon ng darkness eh. Kasi my love, whether you believe it or not, no matter how helpless we may feel, hanggat hindi nila tinutulungan yung mga sarili nila, wala tayong matinding bagay na magagawa for them. Ito yung mga moments in their lives that only them can help themselves step out from that darkness. I've seen a lot of people do it. I've seen a lot of people na nag-come out sa darkness ng own head nila. And they made something out for themselves. They made something for themselves rather. Nagkaroon sila ng something to hold on to. Pero they initiated the change. Though may mga taong naniwala sa kanila, may mga taong nag-guide sa kanila, may mga taong humawak ng kamay nila, it was their choice para magbago. It was their choice to be brighter. to look at the positive things in life. Kanilang choice yun eh. So my love, again, we may feel helpless at times kasi hindi natin sila matulungan. Pero sometimes being there for them is the best thing we can do. Kasi tayo yung magiging constant reminder na marami mang pangit sa mundo, meron pa ring maganda sa buhay nila. At ikaw yun. So never change the way you are for her right now. Be the beacon of light na inaasahan niya whenever she feels alone. It may not look like it. Mukha man hindi siya nakikinig. Mukha man hindi niya na-appreciate yun. But she does. She sees you. Nakikita ka niya. And she's relying on you to be like that. Huwag mong i-channel yung negativity niya by thinking na hindi ka niya nakikita. Na hindi ka niya na-appreciate. Na hindi niya na-absorb yung lightness in you. It may be slow, pero meron niyang epekto sa kanya. You just have to be patient. Kasi ang changes naman in a person, hindi naman yan instant noodles eh. Na kapag sinalang mo, boom, may makakain ka na. Hindi yan ganun, my love. It takes time for them to overcome yung darkness na yan, so give them time. Sometimes it's a lot to ask. Lalong-lalo na kung ikaw yung nasa side ng waiting. Ikaw yung naghihintay. Ikaw yung laging umiintindi. Ikaw yung laging umaalala. Sometimes nakakapagod. And no one can ever blame you for feeling like that. Pero I am telling you, once na nakita mo yung changes, once na nag-agree na siya sa sarili niya at pinili niya na lumabas dun sa dark room na pinagsadlakan niya. My love, every sacrifice, you being patient, every single time na andyan ka para sa kanya, will be worth it. Sabi nga nila, di ba, you wanna experience the good in people, you must be ready to embrace the bad. And if you're not ready for it, it's also always your choice to let go. But I suggest don't. Sometimes being there is all they need to remind them na in their lives, a lot of things may go wrong. Pero meron silang ginawang tama. Because with you, they were right. Claro?